sometimes we hear music, right? And we found that we become very overwhelming. Some song we hear and you find that okay, this is best song, now I'm very happy, and you will have better digestion. Why? Because there are some musics which actually stimulate our chakras. The best chakra which should be stimulated is a Manipur chakra. So Manipur chakra, which is very near to your belly button, this chakra is stimulated, you will have very good digestion. Whenever there is a pan vayu is good in your body, the digestion is very well proceed. Okay, so for this musician found that rag like abhogi rag, okay, this definitely stimulate the solar plexus. Rag like rag brindavani, this also increases the digestive power. It is said that rag like deepak rag, which is considered that it will flame the candle, this increases the acidity. Okay, similarly rag like puriya dhanashri, it also increases the acidity. So whenever you have a low acidity problem, indigestion, you can go for these raga. Or rag like janpuri or gunkali, these rag actually reduces the constipation, they relaxes, so they reduces the constipation. Similarly rag like malakams, you will find lots and lots of picture songs, they are, or cinema songs, they are in malakams. So they will actually activate the Manipur chakra. So you'll find lots and lots of songs are very famous in Malcolm's raga. Okay, or there is a raga nowadays, they are very much interested in this particular raga, Hindolam. So Hindolam rag is also helps in digestion, right? So you will find that if you are very well enough sensitive for the particular rag or particular type of tune, try that tune. You can try whenever you have indigestion, try to hear that tune. You will find that you have some effect on your solar plexus. So better to have some kind of tune recognize in your life which will actually overwhelm you and which will give you a kind of relief from the indigestion. This is very different approach that you can try yourself. Let me know whenever you have particularly these kind of experiences. I would like to hear them, right?